Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making French toast. This takes almost zero effort, so let's get right into it. So I'm just going to go right ahead and crack open my eggs and give them a quick whisk. You can use sugar in your French toast if you want to, but as for me, that's a no-no since I'm going to be using syrup on it and that's already sweet. I'm going to add some milk, vanilla extract for flavor, and cinnamon, extra added flavor. Just give that a quick whisk. So for this recipe, I prefer thicker slices of bread, but I couldn't get any, so I'm gonna make do with what I have here. These are fairly thin and fragile, so I'm gonna have to take it easy with these babies. So I'm just gonna drench them in my custard mixture. You can just dip them on both sides and remove them, but I like to drench my bread when I'm making French toast. Turn your stove to medium high heat. You don't want your toast to burn. Just a dab of butter in there so you can get them going. Go ahead and add your toast to your pan. You want to kind of eyeball them. Flip when necessary. You want to get them nice and golden brown on both sides. I tend to flip my toast 2 or 3 times, just to get them nice and crunchy. You can even pop these in the oven 350 degrees for about 2 minutes for that extra crispness. So guys, the custard is fully set and these are all done. Fast, simple, and inexpensive way to impress someone with breakfast. Look at those. These are delicious, guys. Trust me. If you want, you can just toss in a tablespoon of sugar in your custard mixture, but look at that. I'm using some syrup on these, so there's no need for sugar. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.